watch you at concert, your voice so sweet captured my heart, making my soul complete. Lyrics flowed like a gentle stream, and I found myself lost in a daydream. Like a dream from afar since I met you, my heart's been yearning, missing you. Days turn into nights, but you're still unknown. I long to see you, to make you my own. Don't marry in haste, as people often say, like the song of a bird that flies away. I'll wait for you forever and a day, weaving dreams of us come what may. Like a dream from afar since I met you, my heart's been yearning, missing you. Days turn into nights, but you're still unknown. I long to see you, to make you my own. If fate's cruel hand keeps us apart, let's make a promise, a new start. In another life, we'll meet again, and love will heal all wounds and pain. Like a dream from afar since I met you, my heart's been yearning, missing you. Days turn into nights, but you're still unknown. I long to see you, to make you my own. If fate's cruel hand keeps us apart, let's make a promise, a new start. In another life, we'll meet again, and love will heal all wounds and pain.